Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're gonna film a look for Eid, which is coming soon, and I'm kinda late for the look because there's only like a few more days left, but better late than never, right? I already did the base, and if you wanna see, the tutorial is already there on my YouTube, which is the previous video, or it's also there on my Instagram. So today we're gonna take the Morphe 35D palette, which looks like this. Then I'm going to take which shade? This shade. I'll be taking this shade, and you just apply that. Ignore this. Okay. You just apply that into my crease. It is I'm very bad in colors, okay? So we're gonna take the shade and put it in the outer V. Ooh. Okay, now we are going to take the initial blush which we used in our crease and blend it all out. Blend it all together so it looks effortless. Just go in like little small circular movements, or just go back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Use this on our lid. I mean, you can take a brush, but like, why use brushes when you have the your fingers? Okay, I did not say that. To be honest, instead of brushes, I like using the fingertip for such like shimmery shadows. Use the same color and use it on our lower lash line. Okay, wait. Okay, so my friend Bafa is here and she looks dead right now, and thank you, Bafa. You're welcome. And this is awkward and I don't. Okay, so yeah, we're going to use the same color in the lower lash line.
You're doing good. You're doing good.
I hate you. Why did you have to come early? Why?
It's not early. I mean, like, of course, I'm fasting. Have to.
Okay, fine. Okay, so. That's okay, you don't have to take it. Dude, should I use this color or like this in the inner corner?
Yeah.
ये वाला use करो, ये वाला बहुत gold हो जाएगा ना, because I'm using like pink inner corner.
नहीं, light हो जाएगा ना, yellow का. White हो जाएगा, since मैंने light color use कर लिया.
Okay, so what was I going to say?
Now you're gonna put the.
Yeah. We are going to use this golden shade in the inner corner. So
Yeah.
This is like too much, isn't it?
No, it's fine. Just with the brush blended, that should be fine. Yeah.
Okay.
Try.
So next I'm taking the Tartiest double take eyeliner and using the felt tip liner side. It's nothing.
And the black
waterline.
Yeah. सिर्फ अंदर जैसे तूने अभी किया है. And this one, tap it. Yeah.
Are we supposed to put eyeshadows like in our waterline?
We can. Just make sure you don't go inside. Sure?
Wow.
Yeah.
I never knew.
And now, I'll tell you one more.
What sort of a beauty blogger am I? Okay. Okay, I'm using the Essence False Lashes Mascara Dramatic
The
Volume.
best mascara in the world.
Well, no.
Yeah.
Not
I mean,
actually.
It is. Like, as in terms of affordable, yes.
Yeah, affordability. Yeah.
Affordability,
Essence
yes.
mascaras.
But it definitely does compete with the higher brands.
Mm-hmm. Dude, have you tried the Lash Paradise by L'Oreal?
No, how is it? I want to know. I heard a lot of good reviews about it.
I can't find it anywhere.
Really?
Yeah.
Even Maybelline का भी बहुत मस्त है.
No. It's like too liquidy. I've tried the
Yeah.
purple
but
wala na,
बहुत सुना
Lash Sensation.
है. But there.
Oh, I'm blind. People, I'm blind. Highlighter.
Highlighter. The highlight.
Okay, I'm taking the Becca. I don't know the name. This is so long. It's like highlighter is better. Shimmering Skin Perfector pressed meh, in shade Opal.
Damn.
Dude, this is so like you don't have to use much. थोड़े में ही इतना आ जाता है ना.
No spinning.
Bear with my Hindi and like everything. ईद पे क्या प्लान?
First day with Iman was yeah. Second day with everyone. यहाँ वहाँ जाऊँगी. Third day again with Iman.
Wow, that's nice. Where?
That. we
Okay,
have-
don't say that.
Yeah.
What if like people stalk you? Like,
So-
oh my
I'm a
god.
celeb, of course. After all, people wants to know where I'm going.
Bye.
You know, lips
Bye.
also on the
Hmm.
way too light. Bro, way too light.
But I'm doing a soft glam
Okay, take-
makeup look, that's why.
Soft glam.
Guys, please use a darker color for if you want like a heavy glam makeup look. But I'm not a fan, so yeah. This is too light.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying exactly.
Okay. Okay.
But I was just thinking like apply this and how about you apply the highlighter?
Okay, I've
That's
never
gonna
done
look
that.
Nice. Yeah, try. It's gonna look nice. हाँ. Yeah.
पूरे लगाऊं या
दिखा?
सिर्फ बीच में?
पूरे पूरे. ज़्यादा मत कर. Here? Yeah.
Wow, this looks nice. Okay. और कुछ बाकी है?
दिखा. I think it's
Earrings.
yeah. Eid look.
Yeah, bitch. Should I open my hair?
You open your hair.
Thanks.
Try doing middle parting.
No. No. I look horrible in that.
Have you tried?
Yeah, only like when I straighten my hair it looks nice on me because we
Oh,
went
yeah.
for that, right? Otherwise I look like... You know, I filmed that Meghan Markle ka look. Because of the middle parting, I did not upload the whole video. But like, still no, I'm not showing it. Okay, so guys, so मैं क्या बोलने वाली थी? This is the final look. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys enjoyed the commentary from my great friend, my best
Good.
friend, Papa.
Yo, thank you so much.
Yeah. I've been wearing her since like
Please come
10 years now, 11
yeah,
years now.
please share, subscribe and thumbs up. We
Like.
need followers. Yeah, like also. Sorry.
Perfect. So yeah, this is the final look and I hope you guys enjoyed it and thank you for featuring without any invitation
Uninvited
yeah, so I'll see you guys next time. Ta-da!